This is the SOS call from your native homeland. There are hundreds of heart patients in Pakistan who need pacemakers. And without these life-saving devices, they may not survive. Because they cannot afford it. The prohibitive cost would be unthinkable for many deserving patients. Association of Pakistani Descent Cardiologists of North America, APCNA, strives to foster scientific development and education in the field of cardiovascular medicine to assist physicians, nurses, and technologists in enriching professional development and promoting philanthropic work to improve the cardiovascular health of the communities across the globe.
There were a lot of cardiologists who wanted to get together to do something and give back to Pakistan. And this is how we got together, and since then we have done tremendous work. We've been able to do projects in Pakistan which were not possible in the past. 5 or 6 years ago, Dr. Javed Suleiman and I were visiting in National Institute of Cardiovascular Disease. We saw about 10 patients there with temporary pacemakers who were waiting to have a permanent pacemaker. They're waiting for donors to get enough money so they could not afford themselves. That is when we thought that I'm sure there's a better way to do this. When we got back to the United States, I approached an organization called Heartbeat International in Tampa, Florida. And we found a project where we are now able to send pacemakers and defibrillators to Pakistan. And I'm extremely grateful to our Rotarian colleagues, to Taba Heart Institute, to NICVD, and now in this hospital where these pacemakers are implanted totally free of cost to the patients.
A decade ago, 3 philanthropic organizations, APCNA, Heartbeat International, and Rotary Club of Pakistan, collaborated successfully to establish the first pacemaker bank in Pakistan.
I believe that this project is not only saving one heart or one life, but it is saving the lives of the whole family. We all have to join hands and let us expand this program. Let us contribute to make it into an effective project that will be saving poor hearts.
Our job is to help the poor hearts. That's our motto is, we make poor hearts beat better. So this is only for those people who cannot afford to have pacemakers by themselves.
Since its inception, the Pacemaker Bank has successfully implanted over 250 pacemakers and defibrillators, giving a second chance to these deserving patients at absolutely no cost to them.
बैटरी के बाद में मैं खुश हो गया ये मेरे को गुर्दे का नहीं असर होए तो मैं खुश हूँ
मेरे को ये तकलीफ थी कि मैं चलता था तो मेरा सांस फूलता था और मेरे को जो है वो हो जाते थे दिल में धड़कन हो जाती थी इनका बंदा एक गया उसको मैंने अपना मकान दिखलाया अंदर से सारा कि ये पोजीशन है मेरी देख लो आप मैं गरीब आदमी हूँ मेरी इतनी गुंजाइश नहीं है
दोबारा ज़िंदगी मिली ताल और इनके स्टाफ और पेसमेकर बैंक्स का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिनके ताउन से मेरे वालिद को दोबारा ज़िंदगी मिली मैं बहुत गुनहगार आदमी इन लोगों ने जितना था उनके मेरे साथ मैं इनका शुक्रिया अदा नहीं कर सकता
मुझे ड्यूल चैम्बर पेसमेकर लगाए और मैंने कोई पेमेंट नहीं की थी वेलफेयर के थ्रू हुआ है सब कुछ और मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ
डॉक्टरों ने जब बताया पेसमेकर का और फिर जब उन्होंने मुझे इसका ख़र्चा बताया तो मैं तो अफोर्ड कर नहीं सकता था मैं पेसमेकर बैंक का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिनकी वजह से मेरी बच्ची को नई ज़िंदगी मिली है और मतलब वो नॉर्मल एक अच्छी लाइफ गुजार रही है
This was only possible by the contribution of dedication, honesty and hard work of physicians, surgeons and consultants.
The APCNA has been very kind enough to supervise the Pacemaker Bank and it has played a major role in financing, in supporting transfer and delivery of devices to the patients through the Pacemaker Bank.
In helping the unprivileged people live longer and a better life, Taba Heart Institute, Indus Hospital and National Institute of Cardiovascular Diseases opened their doors wholeheartedly for this worthy cause.
I can tell you it was so professionally satisfying after implanting the pacemaker and seeing the impressions on patients as well as their families' faces, because they did not have to pay a single penny to get this pacemaker.
APCNA के साथ अब एक प्रोग्राम हमारा शुरू हो रहा है कि जो कि वो लोग पेसमेकर प्रोवाइड करेंगे और हम यहाँ पे उसको लगाएंगे। पेसमेकर एक ज़िंदगी बचाता है उसके साथ, और ये ज़िंदगी सिर्फ एक ज़िंदगी नहीं बचती, इसकी सैकड़ों ज़िंदगी बचती है। जिसको पेसमेकर लगता है उमूमन वो ब्रेड अर्नर होता है, वो अपने सारे घर के अखराजात वही कफील वही होता है।
We are treating the poorest of the poor with this, with free devices. Part of our job is to help these poor people with whatever expertise, with whatever professional expertise we have.
American doctors of Pakistani origin, so their heart really is in the activities in Pakistan. They are always worried and they are always looking for possibilities to help. We are really thankful to Heartbeat International and APCNA who are providing these implants, and of course the local doctors who are doing their best to ensure that, as I said earlier, we let the poor hearts beat better.
ما سره خو چې دا امداد شوی دی نو زه خو چې 15 وخته مونځ کوم نو دې ته دواګانې کوم. زما زندګي خدای بچ کړې ده او دی بچ کړې ده، الله دې ولر دې اجر په آخره په دنیا ورکړي.
Because our province, it was the people are poor, and moreover they are more struck by the terrorism and things like this, and so there is displacement and the IDPs, and then the people, those who are quite affluent, and then they are so poor that they are not affording. People who were donating zakat, now they are taking zakat.
The first pacemaker bank is continuously paving its way to nurture the seeds to face the imminent demands to donate life to the poor and the underprivileged people of our dear homeland. We are doing our best in helping the pure needy with all the levels of transparency. It is you who can help these patients.
Your contribution will save many lives.
Your tax money is going into the right direction.
And those patients, I can tell you, will always be grateful to all of you.
So this is only for those people who cannot afford to have pacemakers by themselves.
Your donation will ensure a poor heart beat better.
मैं इंडस हॉस्पिटल के CEO की हैसियत से आपको इस बात की मुकम्मल यकीन दहानी कराता हूँ कि आप जो अपनी ज़कात APCNA पेसमेकर के लिए जो देंगे वो बिल्कुल शरीय उसूल के मुताबिक इस्तेमाल होगी और इंशाल्लाह आपकी ज़कात अदा होगी.
These are poor patients. For you it may not be much, but for them it is going to save their lives. Try your best and see if you can donate as much as you can to this project.
والله دې اغویله د دې اجر ورکړي چې رملې دا فراسمیګر فری راکو او دا غي په وجه باندې بس الله تعالی غي کې شفا واچول او زموږ والد صاحب ټیک ټاک شو خپل مونږ او دس کوي او بس مونږ ولهم خدمت کوو مونږ تم دواګانی کوي تاسو تم دواګانی کوي جی.
मैं तो शुक्र हूँ कि मेरे माँ जिंदा हो गई. तेरे अपनी सब बड़े दोस्त हो गए, दुआ करो. ये गरीब आदमी की मदद किए, अल्लाह तुमसे कामयाब रखोगे. तेरे अपनी सब बड़े दोस्त हो गए, दुआ करो.
Your donation will ensure a poor heart beat better.